Hey cake family, with Easter being around the corner, let's make a confetti Easter bunny cake. To start building this masterpiece, we're going to use a 10-inch cake board, add a dab of buttercream frosting right in the center before sticking the 6-inch cake board holding our first layer of cake. We're going to use the piping bag filled with the confetti buttercream to outline the edge of the cake before we fill the center with Biscoff cookie butter frosting. I didn't create a dam on this frosting because it's pretty sturdy and I didn't think it would leak between the layers. Let's even things out before we put on the next layer of cake and repeat the process. As you see, I'm just smoothing things out with my spatula before I put on the next layer of Biscoff cookie butter. I'm making an outline as I did before, and then I'm going to add in the Biscoff cookie butter frosting to the middle, and then I will start to smooth things out as I did previously, and then I'm going to add the last layer top facing down. This we're going to do to start to crumb coat the entire cake to seal everything in. I love this cake because it doesn't require fondant and it uses a lot of vibrant colors, which is perfect for the season, plus the kitties love it. Once the last cake is on, I'm going to finish smoothing things out with my spatula and then use my trusty bench scraper. You guys know I love using my bench scraper to help to put on this crumb coat. Once the crumb coat is on, I'm going to stick it in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes till it's hardened. Then I'm going to put on that final layer of buttercream without any sprinkles because this is going to be the face of the bunny. To create that smooth edge, you see me using my bench scraper, smoothing everything down until I get it to the way that I like it. I also like to use the upside down method in which I place buttercream on the top, flip the cake over, use my bench scraper to smooth out the cake. This creates some really great sharp edges that just makes it perfect. Now let's put on those bunny ears and transform this cake to our adorable bunny. So I'm putting on my ears, and then this bunny needs a headband. So I whipped up some electric pink buttercream and I'm using my Wilton's 1M tip and I'm going to pipe on some rosettes. To pipe on the rosettes, you're going to move the tip in a counterclockwise spiral motion around the center. Release pressure on the piping bag, then pull the tip away. Keep repeating this method until you cover the top of the cake. You want the tip of the rosette to flow into the circle and come up into a firm point. The end of the rosette should overlap into the new one. Now, as you see, I wanted to just add some more details to the headband by just using another Wilton tip, tip 32 and 21 to just make some more floral designs. Now I'm going to put on the adorable bunny eyes, and this cake is really transforming into the adorable bunny that I was looking for, and this beautiful sweetheart nose. And what I love about this is that you can use this cake topper for your own cake, or if you want to purchase a cake. And now I'm putting on the cute little feet. And there you have it. Our bunny has now come alive. This is just such a great topper, and I'm just adding in some leaves to complement the pipe roses, and this is Wilton's tip 67 that I use. Now, it's such a sweet cake. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and it just brings you guys some Easter magic to your kitchen as it touched mine by just creating it. Now, this was so much fun. Like I said, there's no fondant for this cake, which makes it so easy, and I hope that you enjoyed it. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sweet adventures. And until next time, happy caking. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed our videos. Bye, guys. Until next time.